Hello guys, it's Lemmy. Today I show you a very exciting cafe in Ginza where you can have coffee and fly drone. And share with you some basic information of flying drone in Japan. And today I'm with my friend Brandon from the States and compete each other on a race. I'm very excited, so let's go. This is called Skyfight Cafe Ginza, opened in June 2020 as the world's first cafe where you can do the drone racing. Apart from the cafe, they have a drone school for the regular students, a store with various drone-related products, and places for practicing and racing drone. Even if you don't have a license or never flew drone before, you can come here with no reservation for the fun and unique experience.
アイスティー一つと、あと、カフェラテのホット。
They have soft drinks, alcoholic beverages, and some snacks. And if you buy one of any drinks or food items, you can participate in a drone race.
Okay.
It's so strange to say kanpai.
Yeah.
We don't say kanpai.
Yeah, don't drink too much.
Brandon currently lives in Hiroshima and has a YouTube channel about his IKEA house, which he bought for 200,000 yen, which is about $1,800 after a big discount from the original price of 1.2 million yen, which is about $10,000. And he came to Tokyo for his short vacation, and I asked him to come to this drone cafe with me because I'm practicing drone for my YouTube videos.
Brandon,
Yes.
have you flown drone?
Drone, no.
We're gonna do the race today.
Yeah, I know, because you have experience flying drones. That's why you wanted me to come here. So she can win very easily. But if I win, maybe this video will never go online.
っていうやつでしたっけ、これが。スカイファイト X。スカイファイト X。はい。
じゃあこちらの機体の説明からさせていただきます。
はい。
So we learned the basic operation of the drone. With this controller, right stick controls the direction, and the left stick controls the vertical movement, and you use both sticks at the same time. So let's fly drone. Even though I have flown drone, the Skyfight X is a bit different from the one I have, so it was a bit difficult. And once you lose the orientation, it's hard to recover. But I somehow managed to finish.
So how long did that take? Almost 2 minutes.
2 minutes. じゃあ、ブランドンさん、スイッチ。Your turn.
Crash and burn.
Yeah, so your first flight in your life.
Yeah, first time I've controlled something.
It's the phone.
But he is a man who has played many video games,
There we go.
so he learns quickly.
Hey, Brandon さん、you're good. Oh, うまいうまい。
Okay, let's compete. I'm gonna beat him.
I've already won.
そうですね。You're good.
And the ladies showed us some merchandise in the store.
これはなんていうドローンですか？
マトリスと言いまして、
はい。
農業用のものだったりとか、
はい
印刷したりとかする大きいドローンですね。それで本体が60万円くらいです。カメラもつけちゃうと100万円くらい。
あ、カメラ
これがファントムっていう一番よくテレビで見るような有名なドローンですね。
There are also water surface and underwater drone, very compact Mavic Mini which I have, small drones like Skyfight X and more. As I was asked several times, let me talk about some of the regulations of flying drone in Japan. As of today, if your drone is over 200 grams, you are prohibited to fly near the airports 150 meters, about 500 feet above ground level, above densely inhabited districts, and so on. The red-colored areas are the no-fly zones in Japan, and this means you cannot fly pretty much anywhere in Tokyo. Also, you have to follow below operation rules such as no flying at night, no flying over the event, no dropping of objects, and so on. But if you get permissions from the authorities, you can fly in some of these areas and in some of these circumstances. I heard that some of these regulations will change in the next year or so, so people who fly drones in Japan need to pay close attention to these regulations and rules. It sounds a bit difficult, but I think flying drone over the beautiful nature of Japan is still rewarding, and there are lots of future opportunities. So let's keep practicing.
So this is the one I use, Mavic Mini.
This time I'm gonna practice with my drone. This drone is much easier to control. And I rented the space.
1, 2.
You connect the smartphone to the controller and activate it using the app. Now ready for takeoff. These drones can hover, so it stays at one position on its own and it's very stable. This is from drone camera. As you notice, flying drone is quite loud, but Japanese apartment is very small with a thin wall. So I usually turn on the washing machine while I practice drone in my apartment, so the neighbors won't notice and get scared of the strange loud sound. Also, even though there's no English speakers in this cafe, they welcome non-Japanese speakers and they can help you with a bit of English and gestures. So I recommend you this place when you have time in Ginza. My dream is to share with you the beautiful scenery of Japan using a drone. But it seems like I need more practice, so I'll do my best. I really appreciate Brandon for helping me make this video. Please check his YouTube channel from the description below. Thank you very much for watching till the end. どうもありがとうございました。Please take care and see you next time. Bye!